Here in this question, it is asked that find the domain of fx equals to square root of 4 minus mod x upon 7 minus mod x. So to get the domain of this function, we should know that inside the square root, the entire material should be positive. So 4 minus mod x upon 7 minus mod x should always be greater than or equals to 0. And one more thing, mod x cannot be equals to 7, otherwise this function will not be defined. So x should not be equals to plus or minus 7. Now to get the domain, we have to solve this inequality. So let us assume mod x equals to t. So we have 4 minus t upon 7 minus t greater than or equals to 0. Now we can multiply by 7 minus t in numerator and denominator. So what we will get? 4 minus t, 7 minus t upon 7 minus t whole square should be greater than or equals to 0. Now from here, this value is always positive, so we can multiply we can do the cross multiply, but t should not equals to 7, otherwise it will be 0 and we cannot do cross multiply with 0. So 4 minus t and 7 minus t should always be greater than 0. We have to remember that t should not equals to 7. Now we can take common from here, minus common from here and minus common from here. So what we will get? T minus 4 and t minus 7, that should always be greater than 0. So from here we can say that t belongs to minus infinite to minus 4. 4 we have to include, union 7 we cannot include, otherwise this function will not be defined. So 7 to infinite. Here we have to put open bracket, and at infinite and minus infinite it is open bracket. But what we assume? T h mod x. T h mod x. So here we will put mod x belongs to minus infinite to minus 4 union 7 to infinite. But what we know that mod x cannot be negative. So mod x should belongs to 0 to 4. So here the value will be positive 0 to 4 union 7 to infinite. So what we will get from here? Mod x should be less than or equals to 4, or mod x should be greater than 7. These two conditions we will get. So from here we can say that x belongs to minus 4 to 4, or from here, from this condition we can say that x belongs to minus infinite to minus 7 union 7 to infinite. 7 we don't have to include because we have seen in starting that x cannot be plus minus 7, so we have to exclude always minus 7 and 7. Now we have to take the union of these two conditions. So what we will get? The domain of the function is x belongs to minus infinite to minus 7 union minus 4 to 4 union 7 to infinite. This will be your final answer. This will be your domain for which your given function will always be defined.